Hello, my name is Eyitemi Fadayomi from the Math is Simple Academy, and if you are watching this video right now, you are probably a parent and you want to help your child move forward in their academics and move forward in their mathematics, right? So before I want to show you the basics of this course, what the course is about, how we can help your child to move forward in their academics, how we can help your child to move forward in their mathematics, right? But before I show you the features and how exactly we are going to do that, right, I just want to show you Tomua's story, right? Tomua is one of our students in the Math is Simple Academy, and I want to share his story with you right now. So this is Tomua's story.
Hello everyone, my name is Olua Tomua. I'm going to talk about the fact of MIS online course. Number one fact is that by using technology to do this course, even though in this lockdown season of the government, we are still doing technology to do this because we cannot be doing face to face because we don't know who are the bell. So we are doing it online, so there's nothing for you to be scared. Number two, they guide you to the step, they guide you until you are there, until you are perfect at it, until you have done a very, very good job. Number three is that they nurture you and show your ratings to your parents, even though at all costs. If you are not doing good, they will tell your parents you are not doing good. If you are doing bad, they will tell your parents you are doing bad. Number four is that they actually don't care about themselves, they just care about you and all what you have to do is about yourself. They don't care about themselves. Even these guys are in SS3, they have biology, they are already writing, but they care about you because if you're in JSS1, you have maybe more time to do your JSS3. If you're in JSS2, you still have time, but if you're in JSS3, you can still have time because this virus has shifted time for us, and this is the best way to learning and practicing and doing every other thing. Thank you. God bless you.
Okay, so that was Tomua from the Math is Simple Academy now, right? So I'm going to show you some of our other students, what they have to say about the course, everything they've said about the course, how they feel about the course. But first, let me show you as a parent how we can help you achieve your goal of helping your child become an A1 student in their academics and in their mathematics. Let me show you exactly how we're going to do that. So let's jump into this video right now. Okay, so like I said, my name is Eyitemi Fadayomi, and I want to show you exactly how we can help your child to become an A1 student, right? So I decided to jump on the laptop real quick so I can explain everything to you and break down exactly how we are going to achieve this, right? So Eyitemi Fadayomi, and like I said, I'm the founder of the Math is Simple Academy. And what do? We help secondary school students to understand mathematical concepts through our online video courses, right? So now let me just tell you what courses we have, how does it work and everything, right? So I'm going to explain everything to you in this video. Now we have the JSS1, JSS2, JSS3, SS1 and SS2 first term mathematics courses, right? JSS1, JSS2, JSS3, SS1 and SS2, basically the whole of secondary school except for SS3, right? Now you're probably wondering, how does it work, right? So now let me just explain everything to you, how it works, right? So basically all of the courses are online. All of them are online. That's the best part, right? So basically all you need to do is just pick up a phone or a laptop and your child can begin to watch the videos and understand the courses. I'm going to show you everything, how the course looks like and everything, right? So everything is online. All you need to do is log into a website and begin to watch. That's as simple as it is. What else? 24/7 access to the courses. So all of our courses are basically 24/7 access, basically the explanations of the topics your child is going to be doing in first term. For example, the GSS2 first term course, right? Everything your child is going to be doing in the whole of GSS2 first term, everything is broken down and explained by our instructors here at the Math is Simple Academy. Our instructors break everything down and explain everything detailed for your child so that your child can assimilate and understand it, right? And your child has 24/7 access to these courses. So everything is online on your phone, tablet or laptop. You can access any of our courses, right? We also add your child to our group chat where our other students are to share ideas. Then you have direct access to the instructors. So basically your child can just text the instructor. Let's say I don't understand something from the course, right? Your child can just text the instructor because they have access to the instructor. So quickly, let me just show you how the course looks like, right? Let me show you how the course looks like. This is our website. This is where your child will be doing all of the courses, right? So this is our website where we have all of our courses. As you can see, all of these are videos from the course. videos of the from the course with practice questions. You can see practice questions. Let me just show you how the course is. This place
Okay, guys,
values,
so welcome to
everything
the
is
first.
broken down by our instructors. Some of them I explain them myself, many of them our instructors also explain them ourselves, right? So this is access. You can see this video. This is like 8 minutes. This is explaining place values, right? Under binary numbers, the operations and the applications, right? So basically how it works is we have all of the videos for the whole of first term. This is the GSS3, the MIS GSS3 first term course, right? And all of the videos, everything is explained, right? The whole of the explanation for the whole of GSS3 first term, everything is explained according to the Nigerian syllabus. Everything is explained for your child to understand. And as you can see over here, we have the practice questions also. Once it loads up, you have the practice question also, right? So we have it on, you can access it on laptop, on a phone, on a tablet, wherever it is, you can access it. As you can see, we have different chapters, simplifying word problems. You have everything on here. Factorization of expressions, the videos, practice question, everything is explained, area of plane shapes, everything is here. Change of subject of formula, equations with fractions, the art of problem solving, inspiration. We even added an inspiration part for your child to understand, and be inspired, right? So everything is, broken down and explained, right, for your child to understand, and everything is online, so you can access it on a phone, on a laptop, or a tab, right? And like I said, we add your child to our group chat where other students are, so that they can share ideas and understand everything they need to understand. So quickly, let me just show you our group. Our group can also be accessed on a phone or a laptop, right? But this is it on my laptop right now. So this is our group chat with all of our students, the MIS GSS3 course, right? This is where our children, our students share ideas and discuss. This is me texting, right? Then this is our students. So our students, sharing ideas. You can see different voice notes, sharing ideas, talking, explaining. If you have any questions, we answer all of our questions, everything, right? Let me just show you a lot of them. There are a lot of them, right? Students sending their assignments. These are students sending their assignments, right? They send their assignments on here. We explain everything to them. If they don't understand something, we explain it to them. We make sure they understand it, right? So we'll add your child to this group where your child can share ideas with all the other students, share ideas with all the other students, talk to the other students, these are more assignments. Talk to the other students and we'll be able to answer all of your child's questions. All of our instructors are on this group, right? So your child can just send their questions onto this group and will be there to answer the questions from the course, right? So once your child is taking the course, if they don't understand anything from the course, they can always come to the group and ask any questions they have, and they have direct access to all of our instructors, right? So I just decided to show you that. So let's go back to the slide. Let's move to the next slide. Also, so apart from the course, with the course, we also have bonuses. We give you some bonuses, right? So one of the bonuses is that, let me just put on my laser pointer here. One of the bonuses is that your child has direct access to all of our instructors and can ask any question they have anytime and any day. Anytime they are available, we are available to answer the questions. At least one of our instructors will be available to answer questions. Number two, we give our parents an ebook that shows them how they can help and guide your child to become an A1 top student in school. So we'll give you an ebook by us, written by us, right? The Math is Simple Academy, explaining how you can help your child and guide your child to become an A1 student in their academics, right? Number three, like I said before, we'll add your child to our mentorship group where your child can communicate directly with all of our students, share ideas, and ask as many questions as they have, right? So what is this course going for? What is this package going for, right? Now, you can get access to the course package and the mentorship for your child today. If you are watching this video right now, it's only available for people that are watching this video right now. You can get it for 25% off. Get it for 7,500 naira today instead of 10,000. So what you are getting is access to all of the courses for the whole of first term. Videos explaining it with practice questions. You get access to the to our instructors. So your child can ask our instructors any questions they have anytime. So if they have anything they want to find out, they can always ask. We'll be there to answer all of their questions. Take them through the whole process step by step. If they have any assignments, if they have any assignments from the course, we'll help them. They can go through the whole process and we'll go through the process with them, right? To make sure they understand, right? So I'm going to give you all of this. We are giving you all of this for just 7,500 naira today. So if you are interested, just click on the button below, right? Click on the button below, right? And it will take you to where our courses are, and you can pay for the course right now. So now I want to show you more features of the course. 24/7 access to all of the videos. All of our video explanations are uploaded online and can be accessed by students by just the click of a button. Everything is online. Your child can access it at any time, right? detailed explanations of the topics according to the Nigerian syllabus. Our GSS1, GSS2, GSS3, even SS1 and SS2 first term courses, right, are detailed and explained in line with the Nigerian syllabus. Interactive group chats for all of our students to communicate and share ideas. We'll add your child to a group chat where they can communicate with other students. Direct access to our instructors 24/7. This is one of the most important parts. Because instead of just giving your child, the course, we also make sure that your child has access to the instructors so they can ask the instructors any questions they have to make sure they actually understand everything. The whole idea behind it is, the whole concept is that when your child comes back from home, right, and they've taught your child something in school, your child can just pick up their phone, laptop, or tab and begin to watch the explanations and make sure they understand everything, right? Because once your child understands the concept, every other thing is going to become easy. Every other thing is going to be easy as long as they understand the concept. So when it's time for exam, they don't have to be saying, I don't understand this, I don't understand this, right? All they need to do is revise. You can just pick up the phone, watch the courses again, revise it, and understand everything you need to understand like this, right? And you can ask our instructors questions, share ideas with other people. It's like an insane package, and we're giving everything out for just 7,500. It's usually 10,000 naira. It was more than that before. It's usually 10,000 naira, right? And we're giving everything out right now for 7,500. So it's for 7,500. And mind you, this discount is not going to last forever, right? So you also get access to external examination past questions on each topic and their solution in video format, right? So our instructors will break down past exam questions. How do you attempt examination questions? When you see this question in an exam, how do I solve it? How do I go about solving it? Because that's where many students struggle. They don't know how to tackle exam questions. We explain everything. We have lesson notes on each of the topics. So after your child has watched the video, your child can also read through the lesson notes, understand everything. Constant advice and encouragement from my instructors. We make sure to always encourage and advise our students. Any questions they have, we'll answer it. Make sure they keep pushing to become that A1 student. Because to become an A1 student is not easy in mathematics, but it is very possible. It is attainable, right? So learn anywhere and anytime. Learn on the go. Your child can learn anywhere, anytime. Learn on the go. If they are at school, if they are home, whatever the time, 24/7 access. Learn anytime and anywhere, because your child can literally learn anywhere and anytime as they please. They also have access, they always have access to the course. Practice questions for our students, right? Our students are provided with questions for them to solve and practice with, to aid their understanding. Because apart from giving them the course, we also have to make sure that they understand. That's why we give them practice questions along with the course. And like I said, we're giving this whole package out for just 7,500 naira today, 25% off. Imagine getting all of this for just 7,500. And we'll be increasing the price from 10,000 naira soon, because it's crazy how many people have joined us, how many you've probably seen the testimonials. I'm going to show you what students have said. I'm going to show you more students testimonials. We'll be increasing the price in a couple of days, because 7,500 naira is a steal for this. It's like crazy insane for the amount of value we're giving, right? So all you need to do is click on the button below if you want to buy now, right? So right now, I'm going to show you some more testimonials of what our students have said, right? What our students have said, what our students are saying about us, I'm going to show you more testimonials now from Samuel and Leslie from the Math is Simple Academy. They are students from our course, and this is what they had to say about the course, right? So I'm going to show you their videos right now. So just right now, I'm going to show you their videos, and then we'll come back and I'll answer more questions, right? So this is Samuel and Leslie's testimonial. This is their video.
Firstly, it provides an innovative way for me to learn outside the classroom setting with the use of technology. Secondly, I have access to everything for classwork at my fingertips with the technology device. Thirdly, I have direct communication with the instructors. I ask questions at any time. I also communicate privately with any of the instructors to clarify areas where I'm not clear on. My progress and performance are evaluated and rated, which has really encouraged me to do better.
My name is Ojo Leslie, and I'm a member of the MIS online course. There are so many benefits of the MIS online course. For instance, if you are a GSS 2 student and you are preparing to go to GSS 3, the MIS course will help you nurture you in order to do well in your mathematics in GSS 3. Like me now, I'm a GSS 2 preparing to go to GSS 3, and the MIS course has offered me knowledge, and I'll be really appreciative if many of you join.
Okay, so you've seen Samuel and Leslie's video, right? That's what they had to say about the Math is Simple course. These students are It's insane, right? I even had Samuel text me the other time. He was telling me about how, we were teaching him better than his lesson teacher was teaching him, and it's insane because this is how the world is going. Everything is going digital. If you have a lesson teacher, if your child has a lesson teacher, right? If your child has a lesson teacher, it's easy. It's not easy for your child to get access to your lesson teacher every time. Your lesson teacher can't explain the way he will explain when he's on his high every single time, and that's what we provide. Your child can just pick up a phone, and begin to watch these videos and understand everything. It is just insane, right? And we also mentor your child and give your child. It's just crazy. The value is crazy. So if you are still interested, you can get access to the course right now for 7,500. Right now, just click on the button below and you get access. Pick your course and you pay, and then we'll add you to the group. Everything is right now, right? We don't waste time. Everything is right now. We'll begin right now, right? So I've been getting a lot of questions. These are some of the questions that I get about the course, right? I've been getting questions for the course, right? And these are some of the questions that I've been getting, so I want to address them. What courses do you have? We have the GSS1, GSS2, GSS3. Actually, we have added the SS1 and SS2. So as at the time of this video, as you are watching this video right now, we have the SS1 and SS2 also. So we have GSS1, GSS2, GSS3, SS1 and SS2 online mathematics video courses available as of right now for first term, right? It's in terms. So for first term right now, which is where students are right now, we have the GSS1, GSS2. So if your child is in GSS2 first time, we'll have GSS1, GSS3, GSS4, I said GSS4, SS1 and SS2 first time courses. We have everything available right now. Now, do I pay per month? No, you do not pay per month. Payments for all of our courses is once. Once you make payments, you have access to the course plus mentorship forever. So if you pay the 7,500 naira today, right now, as you're watching this video, if you pay the 7,500 naira right now, you get access to the course forever. So your child has access to the course forever and has access to our mentorship group forever, right? Your child can always ask questions as many times as possible if you pay right now, right? But in the next couple of weeks, in the next couple of weeks, we are going to be moving our payments plan to a monthly payment. So it's going to be like 7,500 naira per month instead of just giving the course. The amount of value we are giving for just 7,500 forever is insane, right? It's insane. So we're going to be increasing the price very soon, right? So this is a steal for you. 25% of getting for 7,500 naira right now. What does the course cover? Our courses cover the Nigerian mathematics syllabus for the particular term. For example, our GSS3 first term mathematics course teaches all the topics for GSS3 first term mathematics according to the Nigerian syllabus. It's self-explanatory. So for the whole of GSS3 first term, like I showed you before, right? The whole of GSS3 first term, all of the videos, everything is broken down. We explain everything in details for your child to understand it. We mentor your child, take your child through the whole process step by step. Make sure your child improves in their mathematics. Show you the ratings of how your child is behaving. Everything is a value-packed package. I really don't understand why anybody would not want to join this, right? It is value packed, everything you need, right? And you are getting more value. It's showing in your child's academics. It's showing I don't know, every parent wants their child to do better in their academics, right? It is showing better in your child will automatically become better in their academics, right? So how do the courses look like? All of the courses are videos of our instructors teaching the different topics. We have also included practice questions in the modules. I showed you before, all of our courses are videos and also practice questions. Then we have lesson notes explaining past questions also. Everything you need, everything you can think of, your child has access to, and your child can always ask questions. Like I said, your child also needs to ask questions. Everybody has questions. If you have any questions from the course, you can always ask us, right? How do I join the mentorship program? Once you make the payments for the course, so once you click on the link below, right? Just click on the link below. Once you click on the link below, click your course, make payments for the course. You will be redirected to where you create your account, right? Once you create your account, an email will also be sent to you. You should check your email, check your spam folder, check everywhere, your promotions folder, your social folder, your spam folder. Check your email, you will see it there, right? You see it on your email, right? An email will be sent to you guiding you on how you should join the mentorship group on Telegram. How do I access my already purchased course? So if you've already purchased the course, right, like I said, an email will also be sent to you. But once you have made payments for the course, you'll be redirected to create your account for the course. Once you have created your accounts for the course, you can always sign into the website mathisisimple.thinkific.com, right? The website is mathisisimple.thinkific.com, right? So you can always sign into the website, and you get access to all of your courses, everything. But like I said, you don't have to master that. An email will be sent to you immediately you make the payments, just 7,500. Now at the end of this course, what will your child be able to do? Right? Because we want to know what is your child actually going to gain from this course. Your child is going to be able to understand and interpret mathematics questions with absolute ease. Like I said, mathematics is not hard. Contrary to what many students think, mathematics is easy. Once your child can understand the concept, every other thing is going to be easy for your child. Your child will be able to understand and interpret mathematics questions with absolute ease. Right? Your child is going to be able to solve word problems without the help of anybody. That's the problem of many students. To solve problems, your child can read a question, understand the question, interpret the question, and put it into mathematics, write it down, and find the solution to the problem, right? Your child is going to be able to do that. Have a full understanding of essential mathematical topics needed for success in the subject. Your child is going to have an understanding, full understanding, right? Your child can ask questions. We make sure your child understands it, because it's not easy for your child to move from where your child is now to becoming an A1 student. It is not easy. It takes consistency, but that's why we are here. That's why we are here, to help your child, right? Your child is going to be able to apply mathematics, logical thinking, and problem solving in their everyday life. Like I said, it's not only about learning. Sometimes you have to, many times, every time, you have to apply it in your everyday life, right? Be able to answer questions correctly in external examinations. When they get to external examinations, whether it's their junior WAEC or their junior WAEC or their senior WAEC or whatever external examinations, your child will be able to approach the questions and be able to tackle the questions and solve the questions, right? Have all the necessary tools, explanations, and guidance they need to become a top mathematics student in their class. They have everything over here. They have videos, access to our instructors, access to everybody. I don't know what other way to say it than this is exactly what you need. This is everything you need. Your child can call back home, pick up the phone or a tab or a laptop from the comfort on their bed or on the table or wherever it is, and begin to watch these videos and understand everything and begin to assimilate everything, right? So they have all the tools, the practice questions, solving external examination questions, breaking down the details of their course, of the mathematics that they are doing in school, access to our instructors. They can meet other students. Everything they need, we provide for them here, right? Now I'm giving this opportunity right now for the last time. Get access to the course package and the mentorship for 25% off. Think about it. Is your child's academics worth 7? Is your child becoming an A1 student in mathematics worth 7,500? Compared to where your child will be in next term if they take the course right now, 7,500 is nothing. So I don't want you to hesitate and be like you want to go and meet maybe somebody to think about it that you want to do. Just take the decision. Many times it's the smallest decisions that we make that make the biggest results, right? And I really don't want you to miss out of this. We have about how many students? About 20 plus students right now, and the results have been insane. And I just decided that we have to move this thing online to show, move it to start doing ads on Facebook so that we can show more parents and show more people of how we are changing the lives of these students, right? It is insane what we are offering for all of this for just 7,500. For just 7,500, right? So click on the button below if you want to get started now. Click on the button below to take you to where you pick the course. If your child is in JSS 1, 2, 3, SS1 or 2, you click on the course to take you to where you pay. You make the payment and then we begin immediately. An email will be sent to you. You create your account on the course. Make sure you create your account too. Once you pay it, to take you to where you create your account, make sure you create your account and everything begins from there. It's insane, right? It's crazy. You make sure you create. So just click on the link below and we'll get started. Immediately. Just click on the link below. Now I'm going to show you another testimonial, one more testimonial, because I know parents like to see testimonials of what our students have decided to see. And I've purposely decided not to get testimonials from parents because it's easy to get a parent to say it, but when the student has actually been changed by a course, been changed by something, this can be the story of your child. It can be the story of your own child. Yes, your own child, right? If you decide to take this step right now, so help your child become an A1 student. I'm going to show you the story of one of our other students, right? What one of our other students has to say about the course right now. So this is what one of our other students has to say about the course right now.
Hello guys, my name is Calixa and I'm in GS3. Ever since I got the GS3 math course, it's been very life-changing and I've been enjoying it so much. Like anytime I come back from school, I usually just go to it, listen to it to understand what I've been taught in school. It helps me to understand my mathematics every day, and I've really improved in my math, and my parents have seen it like that. So I just want to tell you that if you're a parent, I just want to tell you that it's going to be very helpful for your child and you should not hesitate to get it. Thank you.
Okay, now that you've seen all the videos and all the reviews from all of our students, right, I want to give you the opportunity to have this exact same course package for your child. You get access to the whole course package, right? Get access to mentorship for your child also. We take your child step by step through the course, right? I want to give you this opportunity to have this for your child also, right? All you need to do is click on the link below, pick the course that you want to pick, whether GSS1, GSS2, GSS3, whatever class you want to pick the course below. Click on the link below. It will take you to where you pick the course. Once you pick the course, you can purchase the course, and from there you create your account, and it leads you through the whole process smoothly, right? Let's get this started. Think about where you want your child to be in the next 1-2 years, where you want your child to be in the academics. So just click on the link below and let's get started immediately.